Hi, I'm Esther from Online MediaWorks, and I work with businesses to raise their game on social media by giving them the clarity, skills, and confidence that they need to drive their businesses forward to stellar success with a measurable action plan. I'd really like to work with you to get Instagram working for your business. So, if you're running a business that you want to grow in 2021, then you need to be on Instagram, because the reality is that your potential customers are online on social media now, this minute. And effective use of social media is for many businesses the best, the most powerful, and the easiest and cheapest way to get your products and services in front of your potential customers. But unfortunately, every day, busy small business owners waste hundreds of thousands of hours just dabbling on social media. They either don't know what they're doing or they don't know how to do it properly. Well, I've got the solution for both. Social media does take time, but when you plan it properly and you understand what you've got to do and how to do it, it really will help you achieve the goals that you've got. And it can transform not just the profitability of your business, but the very way that you feel about your entire business. So, if you're wondering whether Instagram is for you, let me tell you that 6 out of 10 online adults are on Instagram, and a whopping 89% of those are outside of the US. So this isn't just an American thing. But because Instagram focuses on photos and videos, it has a real kind of positive, inspirational feel to it that sometimes feels a bit lacking on some of the other social media platforms. So, whether you sell products or services, Instagram is a great way to position yourself as an expert in your field with how to posts, build your audience with behind the scenes stories. So, if you'd like some help to understand what you should be doing on Instagram, how to find your audience, what to say to them, how to listen to them, then you really need my Boost Your Business with Instagram workshop. Let me help you get rid of the overwhelm, get rid of wondering what you're going to say or do, get rid of spending hours and hours but not getting anything back. So when you join my workshop, you'll get a clear idea about how Instagram can work for you in your business. We'll create a robust content plan that gets the right messages in front of the right people to drive your business forward, and also get a plan to post consistently. That's really key. And then you'll start to get the compound effect that businesses achieve when they do their social media properly. And you can strengthen the delivery of your key sales messages because you're going to get them out there in the right format, at the right place, at the right time. And then you'll be building brand awareness because people will know what you do and how you do it. So the workshop starts on Friday, the 5th of March at 9:30 a.m. We'll meet on Zoom. It's a 2-hour engaging workshop. There'll be practical help, advice, bite-sized hints and ideas. There's time included for you to work on your Instagram profile and optimize it to up your game on social media. You'll get all of your questions answered and hopefully win more business. Together, we'll get to grips with my tried and tested 5-step plan. And I want you to know that it's not death by PowerPoint, but this is an interactive live workshop. You'll also get a downloadable workbook and ongoing support. So my workshop is £65. You can book now. The link is below this video, and I look forward to seeing you there.